I'm going to try and get one lightning shot. The way that's coming out, it should be pretty easy. Can't believe this storm. So this is like round 2. These storms are firing up again. Ready to step out there. All this crap. Really black over there. Whoa.
Yeah, black. I think I won. Right.
Oh. They're catching it over there.
Yeah.
They are really catching it. Well, at least the sirens won't be going off this time. Dang. So it's a real thunderstorm warning to 8:45, huh?
Yeah, that's what I heard.
Wow. That's 50 minutes from now. That's a big storm.
Yeah, it is.
But these are slow movers, though.
Oh, you turned and it went over there.
Yeah. Yeah, clouds are doing some strange things here. Some strange motion. Jesus. Oh, my God. Oh, wow. Look at this. If you dare. If you dare, it's spinning. See it spinning? Right up above our head, right here. It's wrapping up.
Yeah, where? Right there.
Right here.
What is it? I see it.
Clouds are wrapping up. It's spinning.
Yeah, now I see it. Look at it.
It's spinning right into it.
Straight up, Mom. Right here. I mean, storm cloud? Yeah.
It's getting ready to. It's spinning.
Straight up, Dana.
It's spinning right over our head.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I do. Oh, wow. There's people holding busy. There'll be Toto going up. Hey, now.
See the bottom of this.
Wow. Look at that. I'm about to still wear something on my blanket.
Is that coming down?
I hope not. I'm about to run into it.
Let me see.
It looks like it. I like it. Well, I can't look like that long. It looks like an ocean. I can see that picture. Look, that one's something like this. Right here.
Oh, wow. It opened right up, didn't it? Still spinning. Look at that motion on that. You don't have to chase them anymore. They come at you.
Sorry about that. Don't give her a heart attack.
Okay. Needs to finish your job.
Right. Yeah. I'll get my picture. Where the hell is that? Taking it at.
Well, that really was spinning there for a minute, wasn't it? Now this is spinning back here. Look at this.
Look at that one. Wow.
Oh. Okay. If that's hail, we're in trouble.
If that's hail, we're in trouble.
Yeah. No, I said if that's hail, we're
It's soaking wet. Nice step on it. That's hail, ain't it? That's pretty though. Or is that raindrop?
Let's see.
Not hail. Raindrop.
Oh, thank God.
Wow.
No, you missed it. It was spinning out here for a minute. It is. They fired back up. Let me see if I get a couple lights. Yeah, I'm getting ready to go back in. If that's hell.
That's hell.
I said if it is, we're in trouble. Let me take a look. Yeah, it does.